everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go to the markets. All right. We had another update today, guys. All right. So, market is continuing to move higher. All right. No surprise, right? No surprise. We've been talking about this. Um, on the Dow big picture, we have a big white candle, right here. Just know resistance is right here. We are not far from resistance, guys. All right. So if we recover support right here, right? Previous support is now resistance, right? Get some buyers to come in. We could start testing resistance here. Remember, we're in the fourth quarter. All right. Fourth quarter, October, November, December, where we should see buying come in. All right, so held the trend line here, and buyers hopefully will start coming in. This is on the Dow. All right, on the Nasdaq. All right, Nasdaq have green candles here. All right, now we're a bit further from. Let's do this. We're a bit further from the high here on the Nasdaq. All right, let's do this. All right, so we just need to break through here. Price is being squeezed. All right, so good price action on the Nasdaq. S&P, same thing here. All right, we'll leave it like this here. Resistance is right here, and the Russell, right? The Russell. Near support, right? Not, really far away from it. The high, we're not concerned about breaking new highs here with the Russell, but it will follow the other indexes. All right. As far as the dollar, all right, the dollar, keep an eye on the dollar, guys. It keeps coming down, moving lower. All right. So keep an eye on it. Let's do this here. We have previous resistance is support. We are watching the dollar. If it breaks this support line, right, we could see sellers come in, red candle, and then look for the dollar to go back lower, right? The dollar made a high of 107. Currently, it's at 105, so it keeps coming down, all right? Let's take a look at current positions, all right? Current positions. Well, before I do that, I always forget to look at the US 30. Just remember, right, the Dow, the S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. Hey, Saga, welcome. All right. We'll follow the US 30 will follow the Dow. All right. So the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ. All right, so the US 30, we closed a really good long position today. All right, on the US 30. Now, the US 30, all right, is coming off support right here, support. So buyers have been coming in. All right, I know we don't have any green candles here. All right, but no real confirmation. But guess what? That trade came in. We called it a good trade there. We do have another opportunity. All right. So our Monster US 30 traders, pay attention here. All right. So we could get a buy signal. We do have buy signals on the NASDAQ, the NAS 100, and the S&P. I'll show you that. But if you're trading or if you're scalping it, all right, day trading it, I know you guys use smaller time frames. That's fine. But always pay attention to what the 60-minute is doing, right? The daily, right, will find a trend, but the 60-minute will give you good clues too. So wait for a buy signal here, all right, on the 60-minute. If that comes through, we'll send that out, all right? Now, on the NAS 100, we do have a buy signal that came in, all right, earlier this evening. Buy signal right here on a break of resistance. This was the previous trade here. So we do have a buy signal on the NAS 100. And if you guys look here, all right, really setting up to break through that, that downward trend line here. green candle, right? So we have good confirmation of buyers, green candle here on the daily. All right. But again, we do have a buy signal. Don't expect a lot overnight. All right. You guys know NAS 100, US 30, S&P, they do not move overnight. They will move in the New York session. All right. Now, that doesn't mean you can't take a position, but you could wait, right? Just know we have buy signals and you can wait for volatility volume to come in the New York session tomorrow morning. Okay. Same thing for the S&P. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Moving higher. 2 days right here. 2 days of white candles. That's bullish, right? We don't have any green candles, but that's fine. We're moving higher. And here's that price action here. Really good trade, previous trade. Buy signal right here. Purple support and resistance. All right. So I wouldn't take the trade now. Right. Just wait. All right. Just wait overnight. Okay. I'm sorry. Wait overnight. Right. For the New York session in the morning, 8:39, 9:30, we should see movement. All right. All right. Let's go over the current trades. All right. Current trades in Forex Monster Scalper. And we should have some new opportunities. We'll go through those. All right. Swiss yen long. All right. Still holding that trade. All right. Buy signal. Right. Buy signal right here. All right. Moving up nicely. Nothing to do. We do have resistance up in this area here. So just be aware of that. But just let the trade run. Okay, guys. Aussie dollar. Buy signal here. Retraced a bit. All right, here. Still holding all green candles. Choppy in here. All right. We need to get past. And we'll leave this up like this. We need to get past the high here. All right. So it should be able to make it to a resistance. And then we'll see what it does from there. All right. We have support down in here. All right. So, all right. Here is good support here. We are back in the box looking to test, right, resistance here and hopefully break out. That's Aussie dollar. Aussie CAD. All right. Go ahead and close this trade here. Aussie CAD. Buy signal here. I think we got in right about here. It's pulled back a bit. A lot of consolidation. Doesn't look really, really good. So just close that trade if you're in it. Aussie CAD. New Zealand dollar. That's holding fine. Buy signal is here. Retraced a bit. Let's bring in a trend line here. All right. So we just need to break out of that trend line. Just remember these New Zealand, Aussie, and yen pairs will move higher as the equity markets move higher. So we saw some buy signals in the yen pairs today. All right. So we'll go over those. So at least New Zealand dollar, good markdown phase, right? A lot of consolidation in here, but it's getting past that consolidation, getting past resistance, getting into the markup phase. All right. So that's good. All right. Let's take a look at the short positions. Short positions in Monster Scalper for Forex. And the market was up again. The Dow was up 65 points. So what's that? 4 days in a row now, guys. 4 days in a row, market's been up. If you were shorting, you would get squeezed out of your shorts. So this is why we want to always pay attention, all right, to these markets, all right? So we are heading up again. NASDAQ was up 96 points, S&P 18. All right. And the Russell was also up. Short positions. Aussie Swiss sell short signal is here, still holding. All right. Dollar CNH sell short signal is here. Keep an eye on this. If it gives a green candle, go ahead and close the trade here. All right. But these dollar pairs want to move lower. USD SEK sell short signal is here. It's holding. USD SGD, sell short signal is here, holding for now. All right. Now the dollar index right here. All right. Currently down. Right. Dollar index is down. Futures are up. So all the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq is up currently. We are paying attention to this price action here on the dollar. It's trading below that trend line, right? Holding right at that moving average. Any more pressure, guys? If you look here, every candle here, hold on. All right, we've been getting lower highs, lower lows. Every candle has been coming down on that dollar index. Okay, so if it breaks any further, breaks down any further, we're going to get a white candle, red candle. Okay, so expect some pullback in the dollar, right? In the dollar pairs. Okay, all right. All right. Yeah, so the last one is USD SGD, sell short signal here. Just holding for now. If you're in it, just be patient. It could break down for you, okay? All right, long positions in Forex Dominator. Long positions in Forex Dominator here. All right. CAD yen buy signal is here. That's still holding. All right. HKD JPY buy signal is here. I'm looking to break through resistance here. Looks good to do that. New Zealand yen, right? That broke through. Buy signal is here, breaking through resistance right here. Got out of that triangle right here. All right. SGD JPY buy signal is here. And that's moving up nicely, right? Look at the yen pairs, guys, looking to test and hopefully break resistance here. A good trade going here with SGD JPY. All right. Dollar pairs, USD CZK. This one is still holding. Buy signal is here all the way up here for lots of pips. USD DKK, right? Holding that, barely holding that trend line right here. All right. But again, remember, we keep an eye on that dollar index. USD XMM pull back a bit. If this gives a white candle, just like here, that gives a white candle, we'll close that trade. All right. All of these here, they give a white candle, close that trade. All right. NZD CAD, all right. Buy signal is here. I'm holding nicely. New Zealand Swiss, buy signal is here, holding in the markup phase. Good markdown phase. All right. New Zealand dollar, buy signal is here, holding, bit choppy in here. All right. So lots of consolidation in here. So we'll see how this does. Okay. All right. Short positions. All right. Short positions in Forex Dominator. And then we'll take a look at equities. All right. EUR NZD short, sell short signal is here. That's still holding. EUR SEK, sell short signal, holding. EUR SGD, sell short signal right here, holding it short trade. All right. Pound New Zealand, sell short signal is here, holding. We need that price to come back down. All right. It's holding, come back down, test and break through support, get into redistribution. But so far, it's just holding. All right. Now, remember, this is a Forex Dominator daily time frame, so you have to give them time. Okay. You have to give them time. Let's take a look at stock boss trades. Now, we've started sending picks out. All right. For two sectors, right? Two sectors, technology and what is it? Communication services. All right. So We started this yesterday, so start looking out for these picks, okay? So which one is the first one here? All right, GWH, and that's a technology stock in Stock Boss. Buy signal is here, and that's holding right now. All right. Communication services, ADT, buy signal is here yesterday. All right, pull back a bit, holding. And HUYA, buy signal yesterday and holding nicely, really wants to break to the upside. All right. And then Bull Master, we only have one in Bull Master, and that's PLTR, right? Buy signal here. We got in right here yesterday and just holding. That's in Bull Master. So they're looking strong, holding. They're holding right now. All right. So we'll see if we can find a couple more. All right. The sectors, let's take a look at the sectors. We know we have communication services and technology. Let's see if we have any more. If you guys look here, communication services actually gave a buy signal. All right. So give a buy signal today, which is good news. All right. So communication services, we have a buy signal on that sector. Okay. That's good news. All right. Home builders, we have a white candle. That's good. So we can start taking positions in that sector also. Industrials, we can look at that sector also this evening. Technology, right? Green candles here in technology. All right. No buy signal yet, but we can start taking positions. Healthcare, right here, healthcare, right? We can start looking, white candles coming in here, found support all the way down here. All right, so we can start doing that. We'll wait on consumer discretionary. All right, so we've added home builders, industrials, and healthcare. So we'll take a look at those in. We can do that now, and then we'll go to Forex. All right, so Stock Boss, let's run it. All right, so 21 stocks. Let's start with technology. Well, let's start with consumer services, which is here. All right, we're in this one already. No buy signal there. All right. TAL. All right. TAL, we have a buy signal on the weekly. Let's take a look at the daily here. Buy signal at 8:35. All right. Not a great chart. All right. Let's take a look. Hold on. All right. So weekly looks good, guys. If you look here, right, it's consolidated here for a long time, right? Very defined resistance and support. This stock fell from 89, trading at $9 here. All right. So on the daily time frame, it is choppy. On the daily time frame, we'll add this though. With any of these, just go small. Okay, it is breaking resistance. We have a high right here on the daily, so it could definitely move higher. All right, so TAL, and that's in Stock Boss, and that's communication services. All right. All right, here. Nothing here. GEO, stock boss. That's gone. And one more. All right. SPWH, no buy signal. All right. All right. So that's services, technology, LFMD. All right. That's gone, guys. All right. AVPT. All right. Good buy signal on the weekly. Look at this markdown. Great markdown phase. Buy signal. Right. It's on weekly time frame, guys. All right. Good buying coming in there. Let's take a look at the daily. The good markdown phase. All right. Been trading well. Two previous buy signals. We have a buy signal right here. All right. At 712. Closely at 749. Good buy signal. Big candle. All right. So buyers are definitely coming in. Okay. All right. So let's add this in Stock Boss. AVP in Stock Boss. And what sector is this? AVPT. AVPT. And that is in technology. All right, so technology. All right. All right, ZETA, another technology stock in Stock Boss. This might be a new IPO. All right. So white candles coming in. All right. So that's confirmation enough. On the weekly. All right. Not a very good chart, guys. Very choppy trading on the daily. We'll pass on this one. All right. And we had, what was it? Healthcare. Healthcare, biotech. Let's see. We'll wait on healthcare. Home builders. I don't think we have any home builders here. Industrial. Okay, so that's it for now. Bullmaster. Let's see. All right, 35. So they're starting to pick up, guys. So services. Let's start with services. AMC. Nothing there. That's gone. Nothing here. No buy signal here. Nothing here. That's gone. Nothing here. All right. WW. All right. Descent markdown phase. Buy signal. Green candles on the weekly. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Bullmaster. All right. Nice markdown phase. All right. Really good markdown phase. All right. And it's breaking resistance here. That's reaccumulation. Big candles here. Buy signal. Let's add this one. WW. With these, you can take a small position and just build We do need the indexes to cooperate. We know the sectors. We have a buy signal in services on the services sector. So, and that's consumer. Communication services. All right, and then the last one here for services. That's gone already. All right, buy signal is here. That's gone too far. All right. Now technology. We have a few technology. All right. All right. Not bad on the weekly. Got some buyers. We get a lot of these reaccumulation trades. All right. Big candle here came in. We traded this before. KTOS. Bullmaster. All right. Big candle here, buy signal. Definitely buyers are coming in. And this is in technology sector. All right. KTOS. PLTR, we're in that one. That's gone. That's gone. They're pushing technology early, guys. ACMR, I think that looks like it's gone. All right, that's gone. Yeah, they're definitely pushing technology early. We need a minimum of a white candle on that weekly. All right, here is one. SMCI. All right, buy signal here on the weekly. Look at that weekly, guys. Buy signal came in at $50 on the weekly, trading at 308 on the weekly. Let's see what we have on the daily here. All right, so that's reaccumulation on the daily. All right, previous trade did really well. Buy signal came in here, clean buy signal right here. SMCI in Bullmaster. And that's technology. All right. SYM, which all we need is a buy signal. All right. So we'll check it again tomorrow. SYM, just waiting for a buy signal. Good setup there. All right. SYNA. All right. Good markdown phase on the weekly. All right. Look at that. All right. Good markdown phase. We've got 3 days of white, 3 weeks of white candles. All right. No green yet, but that's good. At a minimum, we need some white candles. All right. That's on the weekly. Let's take a look at the daily here. All right. Good markdown phase. Buyers are coming in. Buy signal came in a couple of days ago right here. Now remember, right, with Bullmaster, these stocks are a bit more expensive. This one is $95. Okay, but you can certainly trade the option if you don't want to trade the underlying. Okay, but clean buy signal right here. Good support here. All right, so worst case, right, comes down, breaks support, gets us out at $81. Okay, so good support, and weekly chart looks really good. So SYNA, Bullmaster, and remember, right, the sectors moving well. So technology sector. All right. We're almost done with stocks. Hold on. Yep, that was the last one here. All right. Healthcare. Let's just see if we've got anything good. Rather just stick with communication services and technology for now. All right, nothing really there. Okay. All right. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon, welcome. All right. All right, Monster Scalper. Monster Scalper. We're going to look for long positions, right? We have Aussie dollar. We're already in this one long. All right, just hold on with that. Aussie CAD. We're already in that long. Aussie Swiss, nothing here. New Zealand dollar, we're in that one long. New Zealand CAD, we missed that one, and nothing here. All right. Yen, we're in Swiss yen, all right, which is this one here. So let's take a look at, I noticed some buy signals came in, all right. ZAR yen, that came in early this morning, all right. So buy signal is right here on the weekly. It looks good. Let me see how many pips that's gone up. Oh, the ZAR pairs move so fast. That's up already 100 pips. Let me see here. Would love to get into that one. We'll let it go. All right. Those buy signals came in throughout the day. All right. Nothing here. All right. SGD JPY. All right. We'll add that. I think we are already long in Forex Dominator. All right. We have a buy signal here. We'll go ahead and add it. All right. SGD JPY. Long in Monster Scalper. All right. The yen pairs are moving higher. All right. And we've got trades in those already. I think we've got 4 yen positions in Forex Dominator. So they're holding. All right. New Zealand yen, we'll add this one also. I know we have purple support and resistance here. All right. But if the market's continuing to move higher, and if you guys want if you want further confirmation, we can bring in a trend line here. Okay. All right. So New Zealand yen, we'll add that. Start small and you can scale up. Don't go big with your first position with these guys. All right, do not go big. Take a small position, minimum position, and as the trade develops, you can always add more. All right, nothing here. Pound yen looks really good. Pound yen looks really good. All right. So pound yen weekly looks good. Green candles coming in on the on the daily there. All right, buy signal on the 240. So GBP, JPY, long in Monster Scalper. All right. Euro yen. All right, same thing. Buy signal here. Green candles here. I know it's hard to see right here. All right. Wanting to break out here. Buy signal right here. Euro yen. EUR JPY long in Monster Scalper. Swiss yen, we're in that one. CAD yen, green candles here, buy signal on the daily. We have a buy signal here, nice markdown phase. We'll add that. CAD yen, long in monster scalper. Okay. And then Aussie yen, same thing, buy signal here. All right. Green candles on the daily. All right. Buy signal on the 240 Aussie, AUD, JPY. Long in monster scalper. All right. All right. The pound pairs here will sometimes follow the yen pairs. All right. So we have to be selective though. All right. So all right. So small white candle here. So pound dollar, and this is part of the dollar group, but the inverse. Okay. So good markdown phase, buy signal. All right. So pound dollar. I want to make sure we're not in this one. Yeah. So pound dollar. Long in monster scalper. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Pound HKD looks good, but we do not have a white candle on a minimum white candle on the daily. You see that? That looks really good, guys. All right. Good markdown phase. Nice accumulation. Buy signal right here. Candles are shaping up really nicely. But if you guys look here, right, still have red candles here. We need a white candle, right? This is one we could miss. By the time, we get a white candle here, this could be gone, all right? But it is what it is. Nothing here. Nothing there, all right? Let's take a quick look at shorts in Monster Scalper. We'll look at the dollar pairs for shorts. All right, so dollar ZAR. We have a few dollar pairs, so let's add that. Red candle on the weekly, all right here on the 240, hasn't gone too far. So USD, ZAR, short. Yeah, you guys know you don't have to take all these trades. Just find the best setups, okay? Short in Monster Scalper, all right? Look at the dollar pairs. They're going down, guys, all right? They're definitely going lower. So if you're going to short anything, that's where we want to short. All right, SGD, USD, SGD. All right, we're in this one already. USD, SEK, we're shorting this already. USD, PLN, that's gone too far there. USD, NOK, wait for that. USD, MXN, no short signal yet. Surprise on this one. We should have a sell short signal there. USD, HUF, right? We're going to add that one. All right. We have some white candles coming in right there on the daily, right? Sell short signal here, looking to break down. USD, HUF, short in Monster Scalper. Okay. USD, HUF. USD, we just did USD HUF, USD HKD. All right. Sell short signal is here. All right. That's gone too far. USD DKK. So sell, no, let's see here. Boy, that could break down. Let's wait on a white candle there. USD, nothing here, no sell short signal. Wait here. Dollar Swiss. All right. I think dollar Swiss is gone. All right, that's gone already. Dollar CAD. Wait for dollar CAD here. All right. These are mixed here. Okay. So we have what, 5? We added 3 more dollar pairs. 2 more this evening. We already had 3. Forex dominated longs. Aussie pairs. So we're in CAD yen already. HKD already. New Zealand already. SGD, we are already in those. Dollar yen, we missed this one, and these are not ready yet. All right, yeah, these are not ready yet. New Zealand CAD, we're in that one. New Zealand Swiss, we're in. New Zealand dollar. All right, so nothing there. We'll wait. Shorts. So we shorting the euro pairs and pound pairs. The dollar pairs are not ready yet to go short in Forex dominated. They're just not ready yet. Okay. All right. So that's it. All right. US 30 or monster US 30 traders. It's good to see at least we're able to, get into some stocks. All right. But monster US 30 traders, like I said, right, keep an eye on next buy signal, the US 30 on the 60-minute. Even if you trade it on the smaller time frames, if you scalp it, right, intraday trade it, all right, still pay attention to the 60-minute. All right. And we held support pretty good. All right. We held support pretty good here. All right. So we held support. There's a good chance we can, move higher, test resistance. Okay. So we do have a purple support and resistance here. Keep that in mind. The NAS 100 give a buy signal already, and it is moving higher. All right, looking to break that trend line here. So that's confirmation. All right, and the S&P also give a buy signal and holding here nicely. Again, don't expect a lot of movement overnight unless there's some news that might move it. Otherwise, right, wait till the New York session. Okay. And the yen pairs should move high nicely. So again, as the market moves higher, right, Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ, these yen pairs will move higher. Okay. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Okay. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. All right. Bye-bye.